Hi, this is Lana Nguyen.
Alexia Nguyen.
Vincent Yu. We are Century 21 Soul Team. We are at 4110 and 4112 Wessex Drive in San Jose. It's a duplex.
With 3-bedroom, 2-bath on one side, and on the other side we have 2-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,500 square feet.
It's a great location, it's very peaceful here, and you have the San Jose School Unified District. We welcome you to take a look inside.
We are at this living room, spacious and full of bright light.
Yes, with recessed lighting, new dual pane windows throughout, plenty of space for my TV over there, and I love how the interior painting and the premium baseboard and brand new laminate.
Right, and you can see the backyard from here. We are at this beautiful open concept kitchen, open to dining area, brand new quartz and stainless steel appliances.
And it has recessed lighting, brand new hood, overlooking the backyard. Basically, you have a brand new kitchen that have never been used. One of the things I love about this duplex is both units have inside laundry. You can put your full-size electric washer dryer.
What I like about this master bedroom, it's located at quiet streets with bright lights, and the master bath has a Jack and Jill sink.
I love this roomy bathroom. There's a closet for him and for her, as well as you have a double sink here, so 2 people can get ready at the same time. And at the same time, you have a brand new tile, very bright and shiny.
Now, one of the nice things about this duplex is that both units have really large yards, so the tenants or the owner can do lots of landscaping however they see fit. Now, in addition, there's new roof coverings as well as a brand new roof on the property.
And then with this corner unit, you actually have access to the backyard from the side fence, and the fences have been updated as well, fairly new.
Now, I'm in the 2-bedroom unit, and if you look at the quality of the upgrades, this isn't something that you'd find in your typical rental property. You have a quartz countertop with an island where you have a eat-in kitchen. You've also got a new hood vent. And as I go through the brand new patio door, you'll see that there's plenty of yard space for tenants to enjoy, and they can even have a little dog run. And you can also see that the fence is brand new. Now, as you can see, I'm inside the master bedroom of the 2-bedroom unit. You can fit a large queen-size bed in here. Now, as you go into the attached master bathroom, you'll see that you've got Jack and Jill sinks with the brand new quartz countertops. You've got new floor tiles, you've got plenty of closet space, and you've got privacy in the toilet shower combination. So I'm at the Plant Shopping Center, which is only a couple blocks down from the property, featuring your favorite stores like Target, Home Depot, Best Buy, T-Mobile, Panera Bread, Applebee's, Johnny Garlic's, and so much more. Now I'm in front of downtown Willow Glen, and this property is amazingly close to such fine restaurants as The Table, as well as Willow Glen Creamery, and so much more.
Hello friends, today we're eating delicious ice cream and Willow Glen.
Now I'm here at Tyrell Elementary School, which has an 804 API score and is only a couple blocks away from the property. Now just a couple blocks away from the property is the Pearl Branch Library. I'm here at Erikson Park, which is only a couple blocks away from the property, which features numerous playgrounds as well as some after-school activities.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.